Sounds of spring are approaching, but for the golfers at PLHS, they sound a little different. Students at PLHS can now tee off without leaving school with the installation of a golf simulator and putting green. During the long months of the Midwest winter, the weather can be unpredictable, making it difficult for spring sport athletes to practice outside. For golfers, driving ranges and courses remain closed during these months, making it nearly impossible for them to practice during the off-season.
I thought the new golf simulator and putting green was really cool because it gave us a new place to practice, and I was really excited to spend time there with all my teammates.
The simulator is quite simple to use. You start by placing the ball on the laser, then let it rip. The simulator doesn't just track distances, it also gives real-time feedback that helps players adjust their techniques to improve their game.
It's one thing to hit a golf ball into a screen, but then seeing, how it kind of came out and, what direction it's going and, the spin on it and that sort of stuff, it's been pretty nice.
Previous years, the only option to practice putting has been on a small putting strip. With the ability to work on short game skills year-round, players can fine-tune their putting before the season starts, making them more prepared when tryouts roll around.
I mean, golf is all about reps, so you got to put in as many as you can, and with that new putting green down there, it makes it a lot easier.
This is Coach McGill's first year as head coach, and for him, the integration of technology with hands-on practice is making a noticeable impact. The Nebraska weather can be pretty up and down, and as Coach McGill puts it, the simulator allows them to avoid having to play tough guy golf out in the wind and rain.
There we go.
The ability to practice consistently in a controlled environment is a game changer. The new facility is not only offering crucial practice opportunities, but also strengthening team dynamics.
I think the simulator will help our season because it'll give us a lot more feedback before the season even starts, before we can go outside. So we'll have an edge to the competition.
For PLHS golfers, the new technology is more than just a training tool. It's a way to ensure that every practice session is productive, even when the conditions outside aren't ideal. With the help of the simulator and putting green, they're not just getting extra reps in, they're setting themselves up for a season of success. From PLPulse.com, this has been Elle and Bennett Roth.